Vickers Guide series all started with the 1911 book, and it was a success beyond our wildest imagination. It was obvious that the natural follow-on choice from America's most popular handgun was America's most popular rifle, the AR-15 or M16. Volume 1, we kind of set the stage of where the gun came from and the development that occurred prior to Vietnam, through Vietnam, and up to about the early 90s when the M4 carbine really came into play. Volume 2 takes over at that point. More or less the official adoption of the M4 carbine and then moving forward. Post 9/11, the M16 AR-15 went in numerous different directions. The M4 carbine has become the dominant version of that weapon. You also see accurized versions with optics mounted allow an individual to take more precise shots out to say 400 meters and even beyond. You see a resurgence of the AR-10 in the SR-25 and weapons like the HK-417. Volume 2 completes the picture that Volume 1 kind of led up to. An absolute must-have for those individuals that have Volume 1. It's a great set when you have Volume 1, Volume 2 together to see where the AR-15 M16 started and where it's at today.